Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? So our Igbo word for today is the word Chegharịa. Chegharịa. The word Chegharịa in English means repent. Chegharịa. Let me say it again. Chegharịa, which means repent. Iji atụ. Chegharịa, you that is looking at me, watching this video, I don't want to take your learning journey, Igbo learning journey, serious. I am telling you now to repent. Chegharịa, jisie ike n'ọmụmụ asụsụ Igbo gị. Chegharịa, tinye uchu n'ọmụmụ asụsụ Igbo gị. That is an example. Another example, Chegharịa, Jesus na-abịa ọsọ ọsọ. Chegharịa, Jesus na-abịa ọsọ ọsọ, which means repent, Jesus is coming soon. I know you've learned something new in this video, so ensure to please practice. I will not fail to overemphasize the benefit of practicing. When you are learning a new language, there is the need to practice. That is the best way you learn and retain knowledge. So please practice, 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 and practice. See you tomorrow. Kemesia.